Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, technology package, cooled seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, backup camera, power lift gate, navigation system. Come take a test drive today.